everyone, I am Pratiksha from Coimbatore. I have completed my undergraduate in BEC as well as my postgraduate in MBA. First of all, I wanted to thank Sardi Banking Academy for making learning in a better way. They have been taking online class through Google Meet. This is one good opportunity for all those who desire and aspire to join nationalized bank and get government jobs. The platform created is very useful where participation and involvement plays a major role here. The classes are being available for 2 sessions, morning and evening from 10 to 12 and evening at 6 to 8. We could learn from our comfort place at home at our convenient time. And the topics and contents are being taken from the basics, and the shortcuts are also being taught, which will be helpful at our exams. Our mentor Karthik sir, who is genuinely kind and knowledgeable, makes the session really understandable for all the participants who are available in the class, and the doubts would be cleared then and there. They also provide us with materials for practice in a PDF format, and the weekend mock tests are also being conducted, after which each class is being taken. And I would prefer Sardi Banking Academy for its involvement in creating more aspirants to achieve and succeed in their lives. Hard work is really an important thing for one to succeed, and Sardi Banking Academy gives its best to prepare oneself in every possible way through learning, understanding, practicing and analyzing ourselves. The course fee is also affordable when compared to other banking institutes. They also provide discounts for online classes, and I wish for all to have faith, work hard and make use of this valuable opportunity and enrich oneself with knowledge and attain success in life.